Hello friends, and it's that time of the week again. It's quiz time. So this week is just more of a general quiz. There is no particular theme, but I hope you enjoy. We've got a bit of a mix and match going on today. So round one is general knowledge. So question one is, since its debut in 2015, the musical Hamilton has become one of the biggest musicals of all time. But who wrote it? Is it A. Andrew Lloyd Webber, B. Lin-Manuel Miranda, or C. George Smith? So who wrote the musical Hamilton? Question 2. Where is I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here being filmed this year in 2020? Is it A. Wales, B. Scotland, or C. England? So where is I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here being filmed this year? Question 3. Which artist created Campbell's soup cans in 1962? Which artist created Campbell's soup cans in 1962? Is it A. Banksy? Is it B. Armand Suki? Or is it C. Andy Warhol? Question 4. What type of nut is in the middle of a Ferrero Rocher? Is it A. a hazelnut, B. a peanut, or C. a cashew? So what kind of nut is at the center of a Ferrero Rocher? Question 5. Which French town is best known for mustard? That's which French town is best known for its mustard? Question 6. Helsinki is the capital of which country? Helsinki is the capital of which country? Question 7. How many dwarves does Snow White live with? Is it A. 3, B. 5, or C. 7? Question 8. What is the collective name for a group of crows? Is it A. a crew, B. a murder, or C. a flock? So what's the collective name for a group of crows? Question 9. Question 9. How many days does it take for the Earth to orbit around the Sun? How many days does it take for the Earth to orbit around the Sun? Question 10. What is the national flower of Japan? Is it A. cherry blossom, B. lotus flower, or C. poinsettia? So what is the national flower of Japan? Hope you do well, and see you in round 2. Hello friends, and welcome to round 2. Now round 2, we're getting close to Advent season, and some people might have already noticed some Christmas things in the shop. So I thought for round 2 we would do anagrams of Santa's reindeer. Okay, so we've got 10 anagrams of Santa's reindeer. Just to be clear that some of them might be a little bit tenuous, okay? But I base it off some popular reindeer in the UK. So hope you do well. See you in round 3. round 3. I thought we'd have a little bit of a different round in round 3 this week, so we're doing a maths round. So all our questions have to do with mathematics. Question 1 then. What is 4/5 as a decimal? So is it A, 0.3? Is it B, 0.5? Or is it C, 0.8? So what is 4/5 as a decimal? Question 2. How many months are there in 12 years? How many months are there in 12 years? Is it A, 94? Is it B, 124? Or is it C, 144? Question 3. How do you write the number 100 as a Roman numeral? Is it A, C? Is it B, the letter M? Or is it C, the letter X? So how do you write 100 as a decimal? As a Roman numeral. Question 4. If a recipe requires 400 grams of potatoes for 4 people, how many kilograms would be required for serving 12 people? Is it A, 1.2 kilograms, B, 1.5 kilograms, or C, 1.8 kilograms? So if a recipe requires 400 grams of potatoes for 4 people, how many kilograms would be required for 12 people? Question 5. A dress has a 30% off discount applied and is on sale for £63. What was the original price of the dress before it was reduced? Is it A, £80, B, £90, or C, £100? So try and work out the 30% reduction on a dress that's being sold for £63. So what was the original price? Question 6. What is the name of an angle which is greater than 180 degrees? Excuse me. Ooh. Sorry. Question 6. What is the name of an angle that is greater than 180 degrees but smaller than 360 degrees? Is it A, a relax angle, B, a reflux angle, or C, a reflex angle? Question 7. Which prime number is closest to 100? Is it A, 99, B, 101, or C, 111? Question 8. What is the square root of 484? What is the square root of 484? Is it A, 12, B, 22, or C, 32? Question 9. How many seconds are there in 12 minutes? How many seconds are there in 12 minutes? Is it A, 520, B, 620, or C, 720? Question 10. What fraction of an hour is 5 minutes? What fraction of an hour is 5 minutes? Is it A, 1/12, B, 1/18, or C, 1/24? Hope you do well in round 3, and we'll see you for the Bible round. So we move on to the final round, round 4, the Bible round. Now, it's just general Bible trivia this week, no particular theme as well. So question 1, how many books are there in the New Testament? How many books are there in the New Testament? Question 2, what town was Jesus born in? What town was Jesus born in? Question 3, what kind of insect did John the Baptist eat while he was in the wilderness? What kind of insect did John the Baptist eat while in the wilderness? Question 4, which apostle denied Jesus 3 times? That's which apostle denied Jesus 3 times. Question 5, Paul was shipwrecked on what island? So that's Paul was shipwrecked on what island? Question 6, what was Matthew's profession before following Jesus? What was Matthew's profession or occupation before he followed Jesus? Question 7, according to the Beatitudes, who will be filled? So according to the Beatitudes, who will be filled? Question 8, which gospel is written by a doctor? That's question 8. Which gospel is written by a doctor? Question 9. What did Jesus turn into wine? That's what did Jesus turn into wine? And our final question for round 4 and the final question of the quiz is, who went with Paul on his first missionary journey? Who went with Paul on his first missionary journey? I hope you do well this week, and we'll be looking forward to see how well you do later on in the week. Okay, bye!